Moroni. Still hear that bell. Backpacks on, heart so full. Ooh, morning sun on the dusty field, name tag swinging as we race the wind, laughing hard till we lose our breath, sharing secrets we still haven't told our parents yet. Chalk on the board, that old blue door, sneaking snacks in the back row.
We grew up in those crowded halls, from tiny steps to standing tall.
Moroni memories, they keep calling me.
Every hallway, every corner, feels like family.
We laughed, we teased, we cried, then made it right. Moroni high.
You're the rhythm of our lives, singing in my mind.
First good morning to the last goodbye. You shaped our dreams, you lit our nights so bright.
Moroni high, forever in our lives. Uniform crease, but the pride was neat. Exam days with my heart off beat. Group work turning into jokes and games. Still somehow we remembered every name.
After class on the balcony, trading notes like a secret melody.
Yeah, borrowed then borrowed shoulders too. Every little thing pulled us through. Hands up in the air when they called our score, cheering for each other like never before. Yeah, we were young, but we knew one thing. This place gave our spirits wings. To the teachers who stayed late,
Marking lines and dreams,
to the guards at the gate,
steady and unseen.
to the ones in the office,
Fixing every wall.
to the cleaners making every classroom warm, we say thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
We say bless you.
Bless you, bless you.
Every step we take from here carries a piece of you. Moroni high, Moroni high. When I hear that distant bell, every corridor,
Morning to the last goodbye. You shaped our dreams, you lit our nights so bright.
oh, we carry you wherever we roam. Moroni high, every lyra, every corridor.
Morning to the last goodbye. You shaped our dreams, you lit our nights so bright.
Oh, we carry you wherever we ride, forever in our lives. Yeah, yeah.
When I hear that distant bell, I smile.
Every corridor still walks me back in time.
Moroni.
Our first home outside home, we carry